Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel, XRP community. I've got some good news for you, and we could be looking at two very important dates that I want you to keep an eye on. I know a lot of you probably know these dates, but I don't know if you know the one that is November 12th. Keep an eye on that. There's a brand new article out by Coinpedia. We're going to go over that article in this video, but we're going to start on this article from Finance Feeds. They've done a fantastic job covering the XRP versus SEC battle. I've been always tuning into their coverage. Shout out to them. And Rick Steves here putting out this article. So we're going to go over this one. Then we're going to jump over to the Coinpedia article, which is super interesting. All right, and we're going to take a look at the price, give you some resistance levels and some support levels to be aware of as it comes or as it relates to XRP and its price. All right. So before we hop into it, just want to say, come on over and join us at the Patreon. We've got over 120 members now. We're continuing to add members each and every day. If you want to come behind YouTube and check out our private community, I'll help you. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you. If you go with the insider package, if you just want the Discord access, go with the supporter level here at the end of the month. Try it out, see if you like it. I think there are a ton of people you can learn from. Speaking of which, one of those people, Nut, shout out to him. He's in our community. He got an XRP as at fractions of a penny, and he is looking really, really nice. He shared that with us. He's also given us some great tips on other altcoins too. But there are many other brilliant minds in our private community. So come on over and join us. We'd love to have you. All right. Also, check out some of the latest videos from today. We did a Cardano video as well as a Don't Sleep on These Altcoins videos and XRP's potential biggest competitor. So I cover everything here. I give you all different angles, and I think that's good to get multiple perspectives. So here we go. This is James Filan, an attorney familiar with the case. In my experience, anyone who thinks this case is settling anytime soon should reconsider. Now, soon, right? Quote unquote soon. Keep that November 12th date in mind because we're going to refer back to that in just a minute. But the individual defendants, the SEC, Ripple Labs, and the individual defendants have filed a joint motion requesting a deadline extension for fact discovery. This may come as frustrating turns of events for all the stakeholders within the space. We're going to talk about the stakeholders too because they are growing within the XRP community. From XRP holders to digital asset exchanges to fintech firms, partners, clients who want this lawsuit over as soon as possible. You better bet that Coinbase wants this thing done because they want to release that asset back out on Coinbase and a lot of these other exchanges too, right? Like crypto.com. Now, the motion asks the court to permit the SEC to conduct deposition of Garlinghouse and Larson after the close of August 31st, 2021 fact discovery deadline. The requested change in the lawsuit agenda would extend the current expert discovery deadline from October 15th to November 12th. I know a lot of people were looking at October as a potential big month. Looks like this could be a deadline all the way out till November. Now, there is still great news because could this be a catalyst for the price? We're going to jump into that. So this is that brand new article out. Will August 31st be a catalyst for XRP? Coinpedia always does a fantastic job as well, covering XRP and all assets, really. All right, so current price here, just before we refer back to this, because this article obviously was written a little while ago, not too long ago. Current price is $1.17, up about 0.5%. All right, so here in this article, they say it dropped from 125 to 114, fell as low as 112. We're sitting at 117 now. Currently, the token is recovering losses. Oh, it's actually correct. It's trading at 117. So this article is fresh off the press. Looking ahead, the immediate resistance, okay, to the upside is at 125. It hit that recently, dropped back down. Subsequently, 128 will come into play after that. So for those of you swing trading or looking to get in, these are important levels to pay attention to. In case of an extended rally, 136 and 140 are the next two levels, resistance levels on the high side. However, if we go down, the support is at 110, further at $1. If it fails to hold these, you're looking at 92 cents and 85 cents. As for the technical indicators, the relative strength index flashes a neutral sign right now, whereas the moving averages show a strong buy. That's very interesting. Kind of counter-intuitive, if you will, or counterfactual. Something like that, right? So, okay, now this is what I want to get into because this is the nitty-gritty. The fact discovery date on the ongoing lawsuit, as we mentioned, August 31st, at least for now. Ripple's move to compel the production of internal and interagency documents among other things, is being debated by both parties. Attorney Anthony James Filan here recently tweeted, "Parties move jointly for brief extension of fact discovery deadline and to extend expert discovery deadline until November 12. It's probable that XRP's positive position will strengthen depending on the outcome of the aforementioned case." So, if all goes well, many people covering this believe XRP's position will strengthen, especially if Ripple's plans go according to plan, right? And they're able to go public. However, XRP has witnessed growth in the past month already, in spite of all of these, distractions and things going on in the background. Active addresses have actually grown from 10K to 21.6K. That is a huge jump. Just in the past month, it has more than doubled in terms of the number of holders, active addresses. That also helped in improving XRP's MVRV ratio. The assets value is represented by the market value to realized value ratio, which is at a 3-month high currently. Another great positive sign. So these are some important dates to keep in mind. And even if we do extend, this deadline gets extended until November, I don't think it's the end-all be-all for XRP. Now, would I like this lawsuit to be done heading into September as we head into quarter number 4, September, October, November, December, that final quarter, those final 4 months? It would be great to have those final 4 months with a clean slate and new investors piling in. But we might have to wait a little bit longer. In fact, it might be until November. Good thing is, a lot of people believe this bull run is going to last into 2022. So while right now you might not see the crazy gains for XRP, right, this month or even next month, we're looking at November and December. These are the 2 months for XRP that are going to be crucial in my opinion. The last 2 months of the year. What happens with the SEC case? Because I think right around that time is when we're going to get some kind of kaputs to this thing, right? Think about it. It makes sense, right? The end of the calendar year, they want to be done with it, right? They don't want this to go into 2022. I don't think anybody involved does. However, they're going to drag this out rather, as long as possible. Both parties involved are, playing hardball, right? This is how these sort of things work out. So just wanted to give you this latest update on XRP Ripple, and hopefully you got some value out of this video. Again, come on over and join us at the Patreon if you want more information like this, more access to me. I'd be happy to help take a look at your portfolio for you. Again, it's not financial advice, just for entertainment, informational purposes only, but hopefully I can guide you and give you a little bit more direction. You're also going to get buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts, and access to our group portfolio. XRP on TradingView, we're taking a look at just the chart here. Look at that recovery all the way back from July 20th at 50 cents, up over 100% here already, and continues to move higher here. So looking good for XRP. We just might have to wait a little bit longer for the dust to clear, if you will, before we get some kind of word on this lawsuit. All right, give it a thumbs up if you got some value. Subscribe to the channel, and oh yeah, don't forget, hit that notification bell so you know every time we put out another video and/or go live. See you soon.